Hello everyone, this is Kale of Mega World. So today I'm gonna show you the latest rent-to-own condominium of Mega World here in Makati. Vion Tower is exactly located along EDSA Corner, Chino Roces Avenue, Pasong Tamo Extension, Magallanes, Makati City. So ngayon guys, samahan nyo ako, papakita ko sa inyo from here going to Alpalan Southgate Mall and MRT Magallanes. Tara! So guys, we're here at Alpalan Southgate Mall. So as you can see here, that's the Vion Tower and Vion West. Then, pagpunta naman dito guys, if you're going to MRT Magallanes Station, so, andun lang siya. So, pwede tayong pumasok sa Alpalan Southgate Mall, or pwede tayong mag-elevator or stairs dun sa side na yon. So, if you're going north, pwede ka mag-MRT, and pag south naman, going tough, pabalik. Dito ngayon tayo sa MRT Magallanes Station. So from here, if you want to go to Greenbelt or One Ayala, pakita ko sa inyo. So that's the One Ayala station. So one station away from MRT Magallanes lang siya. So guys, this is the EDSA going north. And pag going south naman, is dito, Andros Boulevard. Kita ko sa inyo guys, kung pupunta kayo ng San Lorenzo Place, so ito yung pwede nyong daanan from Vion Tower. From here, from this side, so that's the Vion Tower and Vion West. The facade, that's facing Makati skyline. If you're from here, so this is the entrance ng San Lorenzo Place. This is the other side of Chino Roces. So behind me is the Vion Tower and Vion West. So on my left, going Don Bosco, then Walter Mart, and Legazpi Village. So guys, puntahan natin yung new Senate building. So tingnan natin kung gaano kalayo from Vion Tower going to that area. Tara! So guys, pag dinaretso mo yan, Gate 3 Plaza going McKinley Hill, pag you turn left. Pero pag nag-right ka, going Newport City, Resorts World. Hello guys, we're back here at Vion Tower. So first, I'm gonna show you what the lobby looks like. So ayun guys, so upon entering, you will be greeted by our receptionist. So on this side naman, you have your mail room. So as you can see, this lobby is very hotel-like, hotel finish. So you have here your couches or your receiving area, and it's very spacious, very cozy. Then you have the high ceiling, and on this side naman, your elevator, going amenities, and your unit. So we're here at the 11th floor guys, where the amenities are located. ngayon, andito tayo sa pool area ni Vion Tower. So as you can see here, on that side is the Manila Bay view or the sunset view. On this side naman is the Chino Roses Avenue going Makati CBD or Legazpi Village. And on your right, kung makikita mo yun, that's the EDSA going BGC up north. So on this side is the Skyway going southbound. And on that side is the Skyway Stage 3 going up north. And as well, the Osmeña Highway is located right beside the Vion Tower. So guys, kanina nasa 11th floor tayo, which is our amenity deck. So right now, I'm gonna show you the exact unit of a 2-bedroom, 65 square meter here in Vion Tower. So guys, pagpasok nyo sa door, so upgraded na siya. So digital lock set na rin yung door natin. Okay? Then, you have intercom dito. Then, on this side naman is your kitchen. So as you can see here, you have the overhead and under cabinet. This is included na rin. Then your provision for the washer and the fridge. And on this side is your common toilet and bath. So almost complete na yung toilet and bath fixtures natin. This is your master's bedroom. So kasama na rin yung closet natin. Then you also have here the balcony which is facing the pool. Then puntahan naman natin yung second bed. But you don't have balcony here, but you have the window now. Facing EDSA. So in this side naman, you have your access going to your balcony. So guys, we're here at Vion West naman. Although hindi pa siya fully turned over, but we can check some units like studio and executive studio. Tara. Thank you, sir. So this is your lobby. Then your elevator is here. So that's it guys. If you're looking for a ready for occupancy condo here in Makati with rent to own terms, send me a message.